Thank you very much, Honorable Vice Chancellor of the University of Rwanda. I would like to adopt the protocol that was set this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, honored guests, participants, and esteemed colleagues, it is with great pleasure and privilege that I am before you this evening as we commence the 31st edition of the Christof Heyns African Human Rights Moot Court competition. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to the University of Rwanda through the School of Law at the College of Arts and Social Sciences, but also the Center for Human Rights of the University of Pretoria as convener for organizing and convening again these prestigious events and inviting me to be part of it. I also wish to recall what the Vice Chancellor said, but also other distinguished speakers. I would like to recognize and to acknowledge the presence of so many distinguished higher learning institutions from across our continent. This gathering marks not only a celebration of legal learning and advocacy, but also a profound commitment to advancing human rights. The theme of this competition, business and human rights and unconstitutional changes in governments, resonates deeply in our times of global challenges and regional dynamics. It calls upon us to deliberate on how best to uphold fundamental rights amidst the complexity of modern governance and economic realities. The interplay between business and human rights is an area of growing concern. I want also to recall what the director of the Center for Human Rights of the University of Pretoria said, but also other distinguished speakers, as far as they have highlighted this relationship between the business and human rights, but also the famous 3 Ps mentioned by the Chancellor of the University of Rwanda. While they can be a powerful, while business activities can be a powerful driver of sustainable development, offering access to social and economic opportunities and a pathway to prosperity, we know that this action of business enterprise can also affect human rights, and businesses bear a profound responsibility to respect human rights. These different initiatives and activities have been undertaken, calling to balance economic interests with the imperative to protect the rights and dignity of all individuals, ensuring that business practices are aligned with the principle of fairness, equity, and justice. In the same vein, as the chairperson of the National Human Rights, the Rwandan National Human Rights Commission said, in the same vein, the United Nations Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights had been adopted, and they invite both governments and companies to identify, to prevent, to mitigate, and remedy actual and potential human rights abuses. But as I have said, there is another pillar to this competition this year. It is with regard to the unconditional and constitutional change in the government. The recent challenges posed by unconstitutional changes in the governments across the world remind us of the fragility of democracy and the importance of vigilance in salvaguarding the rule of law. It is through forums like this that we can critically examine these issues, propose viable solutions, and reinforce our commitment to democracy and uphold these very important principles. I am aware of the critical role that legal education and advocacy play in shaping our society. The Moot court competition provides a vital platform for aspiring legal minds to hone their skills, engage in rigorous debates, and propose innovative solutions to pressing human rights issues. It is here, in the crucible of intellectual exchange and legal reasoning, that the seeds of future jurisprudence are sown. I'm sure that, especially from the experience of the previous speakers, particularly the director of the Center for Human Rights of the University of Pretoria, but also the chairperson of the National Human Rights Commission of Rwanda, from their testimony, you have seen that this exercise is really an enrichment as far as the development of the legal, the development of legal jurisprudence is concerned. As a Chief Justice, we have seen and we have witnesses in the judiciary, especially in the Rwandan judiciary, but also across our forum, across Africa, that people that have graduated from such an exercise are really very well equipped in the workplace, being in the judiciary, but also in another place when legal practice is developed. So we are very, very grateful that such an exercise is contributing, of course, to human development as far as legal profession is concerned. To the participants, to this Moot court competition, I commend you for your dedication and passion. Your presence here signifies a commitment to advancing human rights and the rule of law. As future leaders, your efforts today will pave the way for a more just and equitable tomorrow. Engage fully in the debates, challenge yourself and each other, and seize this opportunity to learn and grow. Remember, the skills and knowledge you acquire here will not only shape your careers, but also impact the lives of countless individuals as you forge your way forward in a constantly evolving world. We are talking about a constantly evolving world, and we are fully aware of development in legal and challenges really as far as legal education is concerned, especially when we consider changes in technology and the interplay that they have in legal education. I am sure that as we explore the nexus between business and human rights, we have been exploring also the nexus between law and technology. And we know that there are many, many challenges ahead. Maybe Center for Human Rights and of the University of Pretoria It might be maybe a theme that you can explore, this interconnection between law and technology when we are talking about cryptocurrency, when artificial intelligence is coming in. That is another area to explore, I think. As we embark on this week-long journey of intellectual exchange and spirited debates, let us remain steadfast in our commitment to justice and human dignity. Let us draw inspiration from the legacy of Christof Heyns, whose unwavering dedication to human rights continues to guide us. And let us remember that our ultimate goal is to create a world where every individual can live with dignity, with freedom, and equality. Let me conclude by once again extending my best wishes to all the participants and their organizers. May this competition be a resounding success, fostering a deeper understanding of human rights and a stronger resolve to defend human rights. Together, we can build a brighter future for our continent and for the world. Thank you once again, and I wish you all a fruitful and enlightening week ahead. Thank you.